see that the mouse hovers over and gives me raw details, and that works quite well. I can zoom in, and what happens straight away is a couple of things. The borders change, so now that we're actually looking at an area type of state, and you can see that the coloured information changes as well. So red indicating, in this case, the measure is prevalence of diabetics, red meaning higher than normal, and blue being lower than normal. And this all generates on the fly. So if I keep coming down here, the area type will keep automatically changing, and you can see how quick and effective that is. So this is really working with huge amounts of data, and at the same time drawing all these different maps of different boundaries and still giving the information in almost real-time format. So we can see here we're now in federal electorates. As I come down, we'll come down into Sydney here, we can actually see the information change. Now I'm in state electorates. So straight away you can see how graphical analysis here and the visual indicators start to allow us to draw smarter analysis. So we can start to see that areas perhaps in of higher socioeconomic advantage tend to have lower prevalence, and we can see in areas further out west and from a different background tend to have higher prevalence. So this becomes a very valuable tool for anyone who needs to look at geographic relevancy when it comes to their business data, and it's valuable as such. So at the moment we're just looking at the measure of prevalence. We can actually change what data that we're looking at. So I might actually choose to say, alright, well, let's have a look at a census-related socioeconomic disadvantage indicator. And so we can start to see here, and I might actually, we're on local government area, I can change this back up to federal electorate at any one stage. And so you can start to see now where we're seeing perhaps some correlation between economic advantage and the prevalence of diabetes. So we're playing with, again, measures and dimensions, so it's the same BI concepts but just being given geographic relevancy. So this is a very powerful tool. I can actually place any type of information on the map. In this case, we're looking at basically